guys, it's Harry over at Pro Planet People, and you might have just saw the footage from before trying to get close up to the beehive, and I wanted to do my video there, but the bees had a different idea and they almost wanted to maybe swarm. I don't know. I know they're not going to do that if I chill out, but you know, it was close. It was close. So Candace actually is the person who takes care of the beehive, and just recently at the property she made her first harvest in like 2 years of tending to this beehive that you see behind me. And so she got a big huge jar of honey and all this like honeycomb beeswax that you could eat, and then it would like turn into this like sweet like chewy bubble gum, like that those wax lips from Halloween back in the day. So I hope you like what you see. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. And this is Pro Planet People, which is more than just gardening. It's sustainability, it's permaculture, it's alternative energy, it's alternative solutions. So a beehive is just another way that we can help the planet, help us, and all the creatures in it. So again, it's Harry at Pro Planet People. Stay tuned for other videos, and I'll see you again soon.